Welcome to this comfortable session. First, settle into the best and most comfortable position. Let your shoulders lower just a bit. Let your breath move in and out at a steady pace. And now take a slow breath in and let it drift out slowly. There's nothing you need to fix right now. Nothing to solve. This is simply a gentle moment for yourself. So bring your awareness to the center of your chest. You don't need to analyze anything. Just notice the space there. And now imagine a small light feather resting in your open hand. Soft, light, and easy to hold. And this feather represents the worry you've been carrying, not the problems themselves, just the weight of holding them all day. So with your next slow breath in, see the feather lift slightly. And with your breath out, see it rise a little more. The feather knows how to let go. It doesn't cling, and it doesn't strain. It simply rises with ease. So let your worries rest in that same gentle movement, not pushed away and not buried, but just released. So take another smooth breath in, and then breathe out slowly. And now imagine a calm mountain nearby. It's still, steady, and of course quiet. And this mountain represents your inner strength, the part of you that remains grounded, even on difficult days. So picture yourself standing between the soft feather and the steady mountain. One shows your lightness, and the other shows your strength. So feel how balanced this moment is. You can release what you no longer need, of course, without losing your grounding. So take a full breath in and a long breath out. And as you breathe, imagine the feather drifting even higher, taking the weight of worry with it. It's light, effortless, and free. Let your chest loosen as it rises, and let your stomach soften. Let your jaw relax just a little more. Now feel the mountain beneath you, solid, calm, and supportive. You don't need to hold everything alone. There is stability under your feet now. So take another slow breath in and let it melt out. So let the feather continue to rise until it fades into the sky. Let the mountain keep you anchored in the present moment. You are safe here. You are supported. You can let things pass through you without holding them tight. So take a final gentle inhale and a full steady exhale. Let your body feel clear and let your mind feel open. And let your breath guide you back to ease. And when you're ready, open your eyes now and carry this sense of release into the rest of your day. Good work today, and namaste.